gosh, I was just talking and I said that it's weird. I pushed down on the accelerator and I feel like nothing's happening. It's just like nothing's happening because
it's a loaner car, so it's limited to 80 miles per hour. Right now we're getting up to 82 because we're going down a hill, so momentum will give us a couple more miles per hour, but loaner cars are all limited to 80 miles per hour. So
it's so funny. I was like, what is wrong with this car? It's like, it doesn't work, or maybe there's a different feature I don't know about, which apparently there's something going on.
It's software limited, so you can't have too much fun. You can have all the fun you want below 80 miles per hour, but once you get to this speed, you gotta just
But honestly,
grin and bear
I'm just keeping up with traffic right now.
Yes.
I'm not trying to have fun.
But officer, my car is software limited. We just made it to our first destination.
We're at the Chattanooga airport. We just plugged our car in. We need to get a few more miles in.
Yeah, it'll be enough to make our round trip without having to stop at a charger, but you get a nice glance at the car here with its 21-inch wheels. They're the reason why they're louder on the highway. But about 30-40 minutes here should give us more than enough juice to do everything we want to do. There's some elevation gain that we're going to get up on, so this will be great in getting us some reserve before we head back. Check this out. We are at the Chattanooga airport. Supercharged, very cool airport actually. It looks like a brand new facility. Clean bathrooms are always good. It's the country's first ultra high definition 4K stream of an aquarium. They're feeding gators, the Tennessee Aquarium right now. We're gonna be here for about 30 minutes. We're gonna go upstairs and grab something to eat while we supercharge, and then that'll give us enough juice to do our entire day trip and get back to Atlanta Metro by the evening, so that'll be great. This is pretty cool little solar setup at the Chattanooga airport. Check this out. It has the amount of kilowatt hours generated to date. Current solar generation, about 1,749 kilowatt hours, and shows its CO2 offset equivalent. This is to the minute. You can actually tap on this and do daily. It's not as intuitive as the Tesla screen, I guess. So another cool thing at the Chattanooga, Tennessee airport is a built-in library. How cool is this? And it has a little room for kids as well, with kids' books.
Basketball.
Yep. Things you can do when you're supercharging. I think we're probably already done, but we just finally gone to the bathroom and gotten a bite to eat, and now saw this little library, so we're stopping by. But
our phone's not alerting us because it's not our car.
Yeah, so since it's a loaner, we don't have an app signed into it, so we don't get to see what the charge status is. But I got a timer going, and I'm pretty sure we're pretty close to being fully charged. Okay, we are back. It's about 30, maybe 40 minutes since we plugged in, and should be up to near 90+% in the charge, which will give us about 250 or so miles, which will give us enough room to explore this part of Tennessee and also make it back home tonight without having to stop for a charge. So
These are eyes. We've seen Cars movie one too many times. And why is there not a Tesla in the Cars movie?
hey, next Cars movie comes out in the next year, I think. And that gave us, gosh, we went from 100 miles to 253, so 153 miles is what we picked up. And we're going to the Raccoon Caverns cave system. So we start at 96%. We'll make it down to 89% when we arrive there in 24 minutes. I'll see you there. How was the expectation?
It was really cool, but going anywhere with these guys during nap time is not an easy task, and I'll just leave it at that.
Yes, the cave was a little louder than it typically is.
That's cool.
Oh.
That is definitely
Hey, Liam. You think that's hydroelectric?
Diaper change time, Model S style.
I know, perfect changing table, right? I know, we go from changing table to dining table here. Health code does not pass it.
I know.
Oh,
we need like one of those little like tables that comes out of the wall. Okay, how random is this? We're just driving by, we saw this place. Oh, we should come stay here next time we come to Chattanooga because look what they have. It just shows you how popular destination chargers are becoming and how easy it is to travel. We didn't even plan it out, and here we could have stayed here overnight.
It's right at our destination, and there you go. We've got a destination charger at the Chanticleer Inn Bed and Breakfast.
Super cool. We'll definitely be back. It's so cute too.
It's a very nice, quaint areas. Most of these B&Bs are in the southern mountain towns. There it is again, electric vehicle charging. Couple Blink level 2 charging stations right there, and we're parked back there behind that tree. A lot of charging stations considering we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, Georgia-Tennessee line. We are at Rock City, walking through the Enchanted Forest, and then we'll go down these stairs through a place called Fat Man Squeeze. And then Kim is...
It's gorgeous, but I'm having major FOMO because I'm not at the Gigafactory opening.
Say what FOMO is. Not everyone might know.
Fear of missing out.
She wants to... We got invited to go to the Gigafactory for the grand opening this weekend, and arranging the kids to get out there didn't work out for us, so we're not going to get to meet Elon, Kimball, the whole
I really
fam.
wanted to meet Kimball. I like what he's doing with all the learning gardens. Even though that doesn't really have to do with Tesla, but I'm interested.
Ooh, look at this.
Do you feel
Get low, get low.
What do you think, Landon? Look
Oh,
up,
you can
look
feel
up.
the heat from above and the cool below.
This is like not where I'd want to be in our If I were on the West Coast, I'd be like freaked out. In California, I'd be like,
The moss right here. Oh, there's a little boulder wedged up there.
There's probably one rock that's split. Oh, there's like a boulder.
That's wedged in there.
Go give him a hug. And go, Landon!
Cheese! Hi! What are you doing? So we just climbed up the mountain there. You can see the big spike in energy consumption. We are now recouping all of it going back down a mountain. And shooting back home. That'll get us there just before 8 o'clock. 133 miles, and on the trip meter we're at 81%. It shows that we'll be at 24%. There's an fest of tired kids who've done all sorts of fun things outdoors today in the sun. Well, stuck in traffic, almost home, but stuck in traffic. No autopilot makes it a little less fun to be stuck in traffic, and no hill hold, so I can't even take my foot off the brake. But you know, we're making it, finding little ways to make it entertaining in the back seat here.
We have a ball game going on here. Little ones are getting restless. And the messy X. We may have to get this thing clean before we turn it in tomorrow.
And Tesla did call us and say that our X is ready for pickup. It was actually a firmware update for both the wings and a switch on one of the seats as well that was not functioning properly, but apparently 80 people, 80 different X's had called in the past 24 hours, and the engineers had been working diligently trying to find a fix to get all the bugs out of the system, and all the bugs are out. And everything is good to go, so we're gonna go pick up the eggs in the morning. Thanks for watching.